This was the fire in Beirut port. The flashes, they say, were fireworks. Then something much bigger ignited. Lebanon's interior minister told local media it was ammonium nitrate, which had been stored there since 2014.
What is atomic energy? Atomic energy is energy carried by atom particles. The original terms of atoms found by Ernest Rutherford. Atomic energy include nuclear binding energy, nuclear potential energy, and nuclear reaction. Atom energy is source of power, which used to generate heat and electricity. There are two types of atomic process. There is nuclear fission and nuclear fusion. Nuclear fission is a process of break down big particles such as uranium to the small particle.
The big benefit of peaceful nuclear atomic energy. The first one is food security. Nuclear technology enhances agriculture productivity. Nuclear science also help detect animal diseases in Africa and reduce the threat of fruit flies in Latin America. The second one is human health. The IAEA help nations of nuclear technology to diagnose and treat cancer and other diseases. Nuclear to aid early detection of Ebola in Africa. And the last part is environmental protection. Nuclear technology help scientists understand and address environmental issues like climate change. It can also help trace pollution in marine water and combat ocean acidification.
What is a nuclear weapon-free zone? A nuclear weapon-free zone is a specified region in which countries commit themselves not to manufacture, acquire, test or possess nuclear weapons. 5 such zones exist today, with 4 of them spanning the entire southern hemisphere. The regions currently covered under NWFZ agreements include Latin America, the South Pacific, Southeast Asia, Africa and Central Asia. Another term of nuclear weapon-free zone often means an area which has banned both nuclear power and nuclear weapons, and sometimes nuclear waste and nuclear propulsion, and usually does not mean a UN-acknowledged international treaty. Initial efforts to create an area free of nuclear weapons began in the late 1950s, with several proposals to establish such a zone in Central and Eastern Europe. Poland offered the first proposal named the Rapacki Plan after the Polish Foreign Minister in 1958. The Rapacki Plan sought to initially keep nuclear weapons from being deployed in certain European countries, while reserving the right other European countries to follow suit. The Soviet Union, Sweden, Finland, Romania and Bulgaria also floated similar proposals. Article 7 of the Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty, which entered into force in 1970, affirms the right of countries to establish specified zones free of nuclear weapons.
In this subtopic, we will tell you why some of the countries disagree with the nuclear energy uses of daily activity and the reason of the disagree. Some of the countries disagree because of the nuclear waste that we generate by the nuclear reactors. The radioactive waste will take tens to hundreds of thousands of years to be composed. Currently, there are no long-term storage solutions for radioactive waste, and most is stored in temporary above-ground facilities. These facilities running out of storage space, so the nuclear industry is turning out to other types of storage that it will more cost and potential less safe. Lastly, for the subtopic is conclusion of documentary. Generally, there are pros and cons to the nuclear energy. However, in the era of this modernization era, the development of country is highly dependent on energy development nuclear. What matters is this nuclear energy does not have to abuse by the party certain or superpower for their own benefits.